What if you guys fix your helmet? I couldn't figure it out.
What's going on?
Like, I don't know how to, so this is my old helmet. I don't remember how to tighten the strap. That's why we're late, because we're trying to figure it out.
Well, if you take it off, it'll be a little easier.
Lorena, this is Jordan. Jordan's Lorena.
Hi Jordan, how are you? Congrats on the winning on the best bike. I did see
You
that.
are awesome.
I know him! I know him!
You made me feel like a superstar, bro. All right,
I was
yeah,
like
if you take that
pretending to
off,
fan out
I'll look
shit,
at
like.
it for you.
The revolution will be live.
Oh, here, come here, I'll do it.
Two small ones. I was like, wait, which one is she riding?
What's that?
Do you guys both have Senna
She was on your
headsets?
bike for a second.
What?
I have Cardo,
What do you have? You have a Cardo? Fuck.
but you know what? If I knew that, I would have brought my Senna.
Because I have them all.
I know, I didn't think it. Cardo doesn't work with Senna, right?
You have the Bluetooth that, like, you gotta bond them. So,
She can't connect to you guys.
no. But if you do the phone, on the phone it'll work. But we'll do that later.
Okay.
Turnpike's not so bad, right?
I thought y'all knew where y'all were going. I was trying to get a video of y'all and y'all stopped.
No, I got video of them.
When you went ahead, I was like, where's she going?
Oh, I don't know. I was like hyper focused on her the whole time. Like,
No, you did good at sweeping because I stayed behind.
I know, we boxed her in.
Yeah, yeah.
That was my... You feel safe? We boxed her. I just thought about that last night. So. And she couldn't hear anything I was saying. So she did that completely blind. I was like, Loretta!
All I could hear was like.
Yeah.
Because like, I guess your microphone fell.
Yeah. Where are your friends?
I think I hear them.
I was gonna say, that might be them.
Okay, so we're not super late.
Did you see the lady taking pictures of us?
A lady?
Yeah, like because we all lit up, and then she got to the side taking pictures and stuff. So I started showing out.
I literally like was not paying attention to anything really. I'm really thankful that you stayed behind her. I think he did it too before, like next week or something.
All right.
Hi, Antoinette. Nice to meet you.
Oh, this is a hell of a meetup.
I know. Hi, Antoinette.
Claudio,
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, my man.
I just met them all at the gas station. It's like,
Yeah, we picked him up on the way. He looked lonely. He looked like he needed some friends.
So now
we waiting for
breast
people.
diagnostic.
No,
Just put that.
No, this is it?
Yeah, this is
so-
gonna be us.
Oh,
So
shit.
you don't want too many people.
Yeah, that's true.
They said we'll get like 2 or 3 runs and then like go somewhere else just in case somebody, call the cops or whatever.
Yeah.
There was like 3 other
I
people
didn't
over
think it was
there.
gonna be like this. Feel
He's
like
looking
one
at
of
them.
650
I know.
videos.
What are you doing? We don't know those people.
Did you guys have fun coming through here?
Yeah.
They
I
did.
popped the wheelie coming down. I was like, that's a nice straight.
Because through here, the other on Wednesday or Tuesday, I think it was. I came through
Oh, I
here for the
didn't
first time and I'm like,
I literally just met him the other
nice
night.
long bends. Okay.
Yeah. Jay was having mad fun on the bends.
Crazy like night
He
over
was taking
there.
that shit hard.
Oh, over here you'll have, they're sharper over here.
Sharper?
Yes.
There you go. You
I
get
was
to
just
have
telling
fun.
them, like, just take your time with it. Because she's trying to get comfortable on it. And somebody here is a little Ducati on a, she's a professional, so she's going to be the fastest one here.
He goes to the track.
I've never been to the track, so.
Oh, so he's going to be on my ass.
Yeah, you guys will be together. I'll be behind you guys. Hopefully.
Wait, so none of you've done this night before, no?
I gotta
This
learn
one?
the route. So hopefully,
What happened?
I gotta learn the route because I only saw your video and then just stuff on YouTube. So,
Oh, okay.
Let me see your clothes.
so I'm gonna.
Alright.
so-
yeah, but I kept slowing down for you too.
We're going to take it like speed limit slow just so you guys know where to go.
Okay. It's like a circle where you end up back in the same
We end
spot.
up right back here.
Okay.
So if cops show up, then we all spread out.
No, we all just leave. They're not going to bother us.
So why don't we do like one round together and
Yeah, that's what
then?
we're gonna do.
Yeah, just
Oh,
like we do
sorry.
at the track.
Yeah, we're not leaving anybody.
Yeah.
We're all going to go slow and just so you can see where the turns are.
I just recognized you. I'm like, wait a minute.
Yeah, you
Go.
follow me.
Yeah, I was like, wait a minute. I'm like, hold on. As soon as you took your helmet off,
Yeah.
you know what? Second, I think the last time I met you, we were at 30 Burger
Yes.
at
we went
the
there.
event. All right. Small world. I'm like, wait a minute.
I know everybody knows everybody. Some way, somehow.
Yeah.
I
It's
like
hard
the
not to
helmet
spot
though,
me.
yo. The
Yeah.
helmet's fire.
Oh, thank you. Wait, is it lighting up?
No.
All
No.
right, I think my battery died. This right
It
here.
lights up too.
What's that?
It lights up?
Yeah. So when I rev, it'll start to
Oh,
pulse.
that's crazy.
Yeah. Oh,
That's cool.
I gotta get my
I'm
stuff
only
taken care of.
semi-famous. I'm semi-famous.
Yeah, people know you. It's okay, man. It's all right.
All right, bet.
I just only want to be remembered by the good
I'm a homebody. But when I come out, it's a problem.
So everybody goes at their own pace. Right now,
Yeah,
just
ride
go
your
slow,
ride.
So everybody learns the turn.
Ride your ride.
Drag me? Okay.
like it.
I'm so much more comfortable on the left turn than the right, bro.
Okay, so
I'm more right turn
tip for your
dominant.
right hand.
Bro, my right, I'm like, what
Okay,
the
so
fuck?
little tip for your right hand. Instead of gripping the throttle straight on, grip it like this. It'll allow you to put your elbow. The thing is, you want a right hand. So instead of gripping it straight on, grip it like this. Okay,
That way
because
I
that'll
can
allow
turn
you to.
into
Yeah, or you can pistol grip it if you're going into it, you know. So, but that's if you're really going in, like you know.
I feel like I'm touching
You want to
the
follow
ground,
my line?
even though I'm not.
You want to follow my line?
I tried already following your line. I hold it to an extent, but then it gets sketchy.
So that big right-hander is like a double apex.
Yeah, but the right, that's what I'm saying. That right lean, I don't feel comfortable. 100%.
You will.
But keep
Like
doing it. Keep doing it.
Yeah. It's the left though. I'm telling you, I go all the way down.
Yeah.
Left side.
But you know, at the throttle side, it usually gets people.
Yeah,
You know,
I feel
so
weird. I don't know what it is.
It's because you have to modulate with the same.